Hey, what's up everybody? Eric with Solo Box. I'm not sure who I pissed off, but for some reason, powder coating always comes back late in the day on Friday, just in time for me to spend my entire weekend out here in the shop. I'm not complaining though. Spring is here, and as much as to what I'd like to be out riding my motorcycle on a Saturday, I am pretty content to be out here putting stuff together. I've got extra boxes. Actually, there's 4 top boxes in there, but they're all spoken for. But I do have a bunch of extra side cases, so if you're on the market, hit me up. Also, I've got I built a whole bunch of extra Gen 2 KLR frames too. So if you're a KLR guy, hit me up and I will work you a special deal. And I also have 33 more sets of the Gen 2 KLR windscreen riser kits. So that's actually what I'm getting ready to get into right now, is I'm going to assemble all of this stuff. If you look up on the board here, I've got 15 sets of these are already spoken for, which means there's like 18 more that still need owners. So if you've been thinking about doing that to your KLR, now would be a good time to give me a call. So anyway, I am going to jump in and see what I can accomplish today. Try to get a bunch of this stuff all assembled and ready to ship out on Monday. I've got some stuff that I'm wanting to do out here in the shop. So I want to add some tooling out here that's going to be really expensive. So I'm trying to get the jump on the season and make some extra money. I've got the extra time right now to be building and working on the stuff that's going to be required of those new tools. Here pretty quick, I won't have the time. So I'm trying to sell some extra stuff so I can get that stuff done before the season goes full throttle. Anyway, ride safe everybody. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.